After the Soviet Union collapsed, Russia had a problem. Its army relied on an old heavy machine gun. But the factories were no longer in Russia. Engineers were told to build a new one, stronger, lighter, and made completely at home. With limited money and old equipment. They worked for years. The result was the Cord heavy machine gun. It fired powerful 12.7 mm rounds. But with better control and accuracy than before. Soldiers trusted it for defense. Vehicles, and tough conditions. The Cord wasn't about technology or computers. It was about steel, engineering, and survival.